Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, it's Tomasz here. Today let's take a look at the GoPro Case. One of the biggest reasons I actually wanted to recommend you guys about it is that this case gives you a lot of flexibility that you actually need with your accessories which you're gonna carry on your travels. So actually no matter where you go you can take it with you and adjust it to your liking, mainly because there are those small little compartments which you can adjust yourself. And as I said, no matter what kind of accessory, as long as it's reasonable, it's not El Grande or whatever, you can easily adjust it to your liking, and that's why this is one of the best actually cases that are out there on the market. When you compared it to the cases that are manufactured by the third-party companies that are out there, these are already factory foamed cases that are specifically designed to carry on a specific task. And what makes this case actually different from and stand out from the crowd is that you can, as I said, adjust it. So yeah, that gives you that flexibility, that kind of freedom which you actually need. And one of the some other reasons why I actually wanted to recommend you guys this product is that inside the case, the GoPro case, there is actually a small little protective case that can be used to store all the sharp edges elements like screws and other elements. So actually you're not gonna end up having your equipment damaged or scratched in any way. Alright, so let's take a look at some few possible combinations which you can actually adjust your GoPro case with. So let me know what you think, guys, about this video. Do you plan to buy a GoPro case, or do you already have one? If you like this video, give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. See you guys!